See you again, everyone. Today our topic is Python programming fundamental. Let's study some Chinese word. Programming in Chinese is 编程. Fundamental is 基础. So the topic is Python program 编程基础. Python 编程基础. Python is a very wonderful and powerful programming language. Even in Raspberry Pi, we can use it to control our Raspberry Pi very easily. In Raspberry Pi, the easiest way to use Python is zoning. By the way, in Chinese programming language is 语言. So programming language is 编程语言. Now let's start. Remember, we use VNC viewer to remote control Raspberry Pi and start Raspberry Pi. Click this Raspberry is start programming. You can see a lot of different programming tools. We use zoning. In zoning, this area is toolbar, very simple but very powerful. And this area is a script area. We can edit our program here. This area is a shell. Shell is interactive mode. What is interactive? Just you input something and Python will answer you immediately. For example, even you just ask some simple mathematics, 2 plus 3, and press enter. You get the result is 5. And also you can use, for example, print hello Ethiopia and press enter. Okay, computer direct answer you hello Ethiopia. But if we want to do some complicated program, we use the script mode. For example, here, if I let me clear shell area, and in script area I print hello Ethiopia. Okay, if you press enter, nothing happened. For this script, you need to run script. So click run. And Raspberry will ask you to first save your program as some file name .py. Py is Python. So we need to save our file. For example, I save as print Ethiopia and click OK. Now, in shell area, you see, run print Ethiopia.py. Result is hello Ethiopia. So we already create a file, script file. Is print Ethiopia, and you can run this file and get our results. So this is 2 modes: interactive mode and script mode. Interactive mode and script mode. Today we will talk about Raspberry Pi's general purpose input-output. General purpose in Chinese is 通用, and input in Chinese is 输入. Output is 输出. So we will talk about 通用输入输出. In Raspberry Pi, there are 40 pins interface. And these pins, some of are general purpose input output. So we use this GPIO. We call GPIO. We can connect some sensor and also connect some like LED lights, like motors. So first we need to understand the GPIO number system, because 40 pins and some pin they have the GPIO name. For example, pin 1, we can say pin 1 is power, 3.3 volt power, and pin 2 is 5 volt power, and pin 3 is GPIO. We call the GPIO2, and pin 5 is GPIO3. Pin 11 is GPIO7. Pin 12 is GPIO18, like that. And when we make programming, we will use pins GPIO name. For example, if we connect our device to pin 11, but when you programming, we don't call the pin 11, we call the what? GPIO 17. GPIO 17. If you want to control Raspberry Pi's GPIO, the easy way is we use Python library. This library name is GPIOZERO. GPIOZERO is a very simple interface to GPIO device with Raspberry Pi. We can refer to the following websites. This website is our GPIOZERO, and introduce how to use it and some parameter. Today's example is quite simple. We will introduce RGB LED light connected to Raspberry Pi. Now this is our RGB LED light. This light has 4 pins: red pins, green pins, blue pins, and the ground. In this example, our red pins connect to GPIO 17. Remember, we said the GPIO 17 on the board is board pin 11, and green pins connect to GPIO 18, also is board pin 12, and blue connect to GPIO 27, is board 13, and the ground connected to the board ground is board pin 14. This graphic shows how to connect. Now already connect Raspberry Pi and our LED light like this, and I will make a program. In this program, because we will use GPIOZERO library, in this library has different class, defined class. First one is LED class. Pay attention, in Python language, the letter capital and lowercase have different meaning. So this LED class, we must use capital LED. Let's see. I'll create a new program. First, I need to from GPIOZERO import capital LED, because I have 3 LED lights RGB. So for example, I called red is from LED which pin 17. Pin 17 is a red light, and green is pin 18. Pay attention here, this equal sign means I assign the pin 17 to the variable red and assign pin 18 to variable green. Similar. Blue equal capital LED. Blue pin is which one? 17, 18. Blue is 27. 27. So pin 27. Okay, this part import LED class from GPIOZERO library and also assign different pin to different variable. Next, for this LED class has different functions such as on, off, blink. Where can we find this function? I already told you we can search on GPIOZERO online, and in this line download some document. Here has different API, input device and output device. For example, today we use output device is regular class LED. On this LED, this is LED class has some parameters and how to define this parameter you can see, and also has different function like blink, like off, on, toggle, etc. Now I want this red is put on. So for example, I let red is on, green and blue is off. Red on, green off, and blue off. Okay, now I will run this script. Click run. Ask you to save the file name, give any name. For example, LED demo. Click OK. Okay, program has run. What's the result? Let's see. See, our red light is on. Red light is on. How about I change? Red is off, green on, blue also off. Run again, click run. See, light now is green light. Also, we can switch off red and green, put blue on. Blue light now, blue light. Let's try some interesting like blink. Let's blink red light. Click run. Oh, sorry. If you want to stop program, click stop. I forget turn off blue. So turn off blue. Blue and green off, red blink, and click run. See? Blue light is blinking. It's blinking. If you want to stop, click stop. Let's check for this blink. LED's blink also has some parameter. For example, on time and off time. Default is 1 second. On time is 1 second. Off time is 1 second. If I want to blink more faster, let's try blink. For example, on time equal 0.2 seconds. Off time also 0.2 seconds. Run again. Fast. See, it's fast. Another interesting class is RGB LED. RGB LED has a function like on, off, blink, color, pulse, and we need to import RGB LED and define because he has 3 different colors. These 3 colors pin. We need to define it. Then we can define its color and make it blink. I see. For example, this program. We import RGB LED class. Pay attention. RGB LED. Every letter is capital. Then define a variable. Name is small case LED. LED's color is 100. That means because for 3 different color, red, green, and blue, every color's value is 0 through to 1. So this color 100, that means it's red color. So when I run this program, you see air light is red. How about if I change 0, 1, 0? It should be green color. See, green color. If we change as 0, 1, 1, that will mix green and blue. So color change. Also, you can change green 0.5. How about red 0.5? And look like a yellow color. So with this color function, we can change RGB LED's colors. Also, we can make it blink. Blink has function like on time, off time, fade in time, fade out time, and on color. Let's try. LED blink. On time 0.2, for example, 0.2 seconds. Off time fade in time 0.5. Fade out time 0.5. Color, which color? For example, 0.5, 0.3, 0.8. I don't know what color. Just make it fun. Okay. Let's try. Wrong. Oh, sorry. There's some error. There's some error. So look here. This is how to debug our program. You see, Sony told you here is arrow of I forget of time equal 0.2. Try again. Color. This color is not going to put on except color. On color. Sorry, I forget. It's on color. So on color. Try again. See, it's blinking at like some purple color. Yeah. So when you make a program, if there is some error, doesn't matter. We just Sony will remind you where is the problem and check your program. Sometimes you need to check the document. It's very easy. Finally, let's review today's Chinese language programming. 编程 fundamental 基础 language 语言 general purpose 通用 input 输入 output 输出 OK, This is content of today. Wish you stay at home healthy, and see you next time. Bye.